Celine Mbabazi, and today is my sister's big day. I can't wait! Wow!
Nitwa Petero, ndi umwe muri uyu muryango. Abo ku marembo bambwiye ko baje kandi barahageze, aho bishoboka duhaguruke kugira ngo nabo rwose uwo mwuka badusanganye ari wo bagumamo. Nibaza kugera hano murabimenya, turabakira uko dusanzwe tubakira. Reka sabe mukuru wanjye Tebuka ababwire ko rwose inzira ikeye baze tubakire dukomezanye iki gitaramo. Abakaraza bacu namwe ngaho nababwira iki, mubakire uko dusanzwe twakira imfura zije zisanga data. I would like to remind those who are sitting with guests who cannot understand Kinyarwanda fully, please do what I could do. Thank you. Baje inkokora zireba imbere kandi ubona ko ari abatwari koko. Ikindi naje kumenya nuko hajemo umutware witwa Munyanshongore mwataramanye kuva kera, niwe waruyoboye iri tsinda rigari ry'abantu byaturutse mu Bugishya. Baje rero kandi barakeye. Ntatinze rero nagira ngo mbabwire ko twabahaye ikaze ringana uko tungana, ngaho jya mbere ubahe ikaze rikwiriye, ibyo twakwita karibu kamili. Asante sana.
It's a big day for my sisters. I'm very happy. Can't wait to see them. I'm here for enjoying this big day. I'm very happy. May God bless you. Mundu zurgunye urugo ruhire urugo ruhire inshuti yacu.
Uyu munsi ni ubukwe bwa Sylvie na Fidel, turishimye cyane kandi mbifurije urugo rwiza.
Today it's my wedding day. I'm very happy and excited to see everybody who came to my wedding. Oh, I love him so much and I can't wait to see him.
Thank you, sweetheart. I love you, and I can't wait to see you on our big day. I promise to love you, to respect you, and to support you in everything you do. Thank you. And here. Okay.